wanna go fetch that thing ASAP.
Welcome, our project build, Eric, the E30. I've seen better days. I'm a tuner now, why? Noor, will you do the honors, except?
When was it start?
Start him up, Lani. We show them answer there what we got. We got something special for you. I wish we had to smell it, huh? Yes, YouTube, brother. It is YouTube. Check. Just check as well. Hello? Anybody there? Yo, freak sad, man, bro. Freak sad. Still running though. Okay, now switch off. So the pressure is still fine. It was like, okay, you can see this busy going down, but it sits on like 4 bars. Still like it's still under us now. The only thing there's knock, who's there? Yes, that one is making grrr.
Somebody's at the door.
Somebody's making grrr there. So that being said, we're gonna be selling a Sochi. We're going to be selling Eric's current engine. For those that don't know, it is a 2.5 bottom. The pistons on top has been modified to accommodate the 2-liter head. It's running rather high, the compression. So 2-liter head with a 2.5 intake, and we have here M30 throttle body with a custom cold air intake. You can go check our previous videos. We've done a video on that as well. Also, very fun memories. This one. It comes with a TNT performance exhaust. Comes with performance MSD plug leads and a VR6 coil pack. Now we're not selling our management system. That is going to be for the next engine. We leave you guys guessing as to which engine we want to get next. But yeah, complete alternate is working. Stock standard 2.5 bottom with a 2-liter head. It's running 50% ethanol, 50% normal fuel. Price, Noor, what do you think?
I don't know. Kyle says he's gonna come around in a bit to come look at the engine. 7K negotiable?
7K negotiable.
But that would be without the exhaust, without the management, without the starter, without the flywheel, and without the coil packs. So that would literally just be the engine and the alternator with the intake, and you can take the stack setup as well.
100 mil stack setup.
Yeah.
So there you guys heard it. Noor is in charge. For those you've probably been following the videos, Noor and Eric is like this one, eh?
Good friends.
This one is my baby, or was my baby. But yeah, you guys will have to contact Noor. I'm gonna be busy on the road with some other stuff. Funny, anything you want to add, Exec?
Hij staat hier.
Hij staat hier. Nee? Als we on to better things, Exec.
On to better things, guys.
I'll say this. We need more minerals. Yes, I'm just going to say that. Yes, we are being deprived. We need that vitamins for Eric. Eric needs that vitamins. If anybody's got something with that vitamins, let us know. But obviously, we'll only have money for that once we actually get the buyer for the M20 as it easier. And that is the whole purpose of this video. Thank you, everybody that has been following the boat. The sponsors, King's Auto, there's Nice Cars, there's the plug lead guy, it's Zana, it's Papi Raj. Yo, wie anders is daar nog Yin Space, all those people, Nisba Performance, everybody that put in their hard work, the time, the effort into the engine and into the car. We say thank you, we say shukran. And yeah, here's on to better things. That's the second time we did it. Did it over, didn't work. So perhaps it's a sign that we need to move on to getting more vitamins here for us. But so it's not the end of Eric the E30. We're just gonna be upgrading the engine after we hopefully sell this. So if you have any queries, share this video, comment, like, subscribe here, my bro, so we can get Eric up and running for the next event, which is going to be
Soon.
soon.
25th.
Lekker Lani, sharp.